Hi, what's up guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Amazon Fire tablet. So go to settings, scroll down till you see account, click on the register, Alright, the Fire is not registered anymore. Exit. After you're done with that, go ahead and scroll down till you see device options right there. Scroll down again and restore the factory defaults. And are you sure is what this is saying? Click on reset. Alright, it's going right now. Hello guys, as you guys can see me with the reflection on this. I was so close to take a picture for a thumbnail, never mind. I got it right there with the Amazon logo on it. Alright, it's going right now. And the reason why you want to reset it is if you're having issues with the device, if you want to give it away to somebody, or if you want to sell it. So those are the reasons why to reset the device if you need to. And there we go. It's back to its factory default. As you guys can see there, now it's ready for sale or giveaway. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe for more tech videos like this, and unboxings and reviews, and more adventure time videos and gaming. And make sure to turn on the upload post notifications so you guys don't miss a video from me every time I upload. And a comment and a like. And now this will be Alexander Bosko now signing off, and peace out everybody.